This is Daddy from Busy Daddy Cooks. Today we are stir frying asparagus with lean pork. Let's start with the pork. I have here a piece of pork loin. When cutting a piece of pork loin, look at the direction of the grain. You want to cut it against the grain. Cut the piece of pork into about 1/2 cm slices. Lay them flat and cut them into strips. Next, we want to marinate the pork. Marinate the pork with pepper, sugar, light soy sauce, corn flour, sesame oil, and add 2 tablespoons of water. Mix all this really well and keep mixing it till all the marinade has been absorbed into the pork. When all the marinade has been absorbed, the bottom of the bowl should be relatively dry. Set this aside. For the asparagus, I have here some fine stem asparagus. To find out how much you should cut off from the bottom, simply take an asparagus and break off the end. This is how much you need to cut off. If you have thicker asparagus, it works the same way as well. After cutting off the ends, cut the asparagus in half, about the same length as the pork. You will also need some garlic. To stir fry, put your pan over a medium-high heat. When the pan is hot, add in some oil. And when the oil is hot, add in your pork and stir fry it till it's a little brown on the outside. Something like this. Then add garlic and fry it for about a minute or so. Add in the asparagus. Oyster sauce. And about 2 tablespoons of water. Fry this for another 2 to 3 minutes. How long you fry this for would depend on how thick your asparagus is and how crunchy you want it to be. After 2 to 3 minutes, taste and adjust for seasoning. If it tastes like the way you like it to be, we are done. This is asparagus with pork stir fry.